Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today with these two colors of yarns, 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors, we're going to make Nicoles granny square. Let's get started. To begin, make a slip knot with your first color and chain 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a slip stitch into the first chain and create a circle. Now inside the ring, make 3 double crochets. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. And take the short tail along with you to hide. This was the first double crochet. Here's the second one and the third one. Chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets inside the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets inside the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets inside the ring. Here's the first one. The second one and the third one. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. My first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into the second chain. This is the end of row 1. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Row 2 with the second color, insert your hook into any of those chain 1 spaces. Grab the yarn, pull it through and chain 1 to secure. Now into this chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. 2 and 3. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, my next chain 1 space is right before the slip stitch of my previous row, right here. Skip these double crochets right here and make your next stitches into this chain 1 space. Make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, make 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space and repeat this process to the end. At the end of the row, chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 2. Row 3, with your first color, insert your hook into any of those chain 1 spaces between the group of 3 double crochets. Grab the yarn and pull it through and chain 1 to secure. Three double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. Chain 2, 1 and 2. In the space between the group of 6 double crochets, make 1 double crochet right here, chain 2, 1 and 2, and 1 more double crochet into the same space. Chain 2, 1, 2 and make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next, chain 1 space between the group of 3 double crochets right here. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. Chain 2 and repeat this process till the end of the row and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. At the end of the row, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 3. Row 4, insert your hook into any of those chain 1 spaces between the group of 3 double crochets on the edge. Grab your second color, pull it through and chain 1 to secure, and then make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the same space. One, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Skip the next chain 2 space and into the chain space in the middle of our V-shape stitches, make 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 more double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Skip the next chain 2 space and into the space between the group of 3 double crochets, make 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. And repeat this process for the next 3 sides. It means chain 3, make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet into this V shape, chain 3, into the next chain 1 space on the edge, make 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets, and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So I finished this row, and this is the end of row 4. You can continue this project for as many rows as you want, and in every row you'll add to your chain spaces. The only thing we don't change is our stitches on the edge. Our 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets won't change in any rows. And hide the tails at the back of your project back and forth. And voila! This is how it looks like at the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below, turn on post notifications and share it to your friends. See you in next tutorials. Bye!